To fix a problem where you cannot connect your Xbox Elite Series 2 controller with your PC, first let's click on the Xbox logo right here and hold it until our Xbox controller is on. Then enter a pairing mode with the button right there. When the LED lamp starts flashing, that means we're in the pairing mode and we should be able to connect it. So now I'm going to move to my PC. And here click on the Bluetooth and try to connect that controller. So here we are on my PC, and I'm gonna press on the Bluetooth and try to connect that controller. As you can see, there's a problem, and we can fix that problem by moving on to our controller again. Right here, just press on the button on the top side. Again, it's the pairing button. Click and hold it until you feel vibration on your controller. Let go of the button and wait a few seconds. Right after that, we should be able to power on our controller. Then enter a pairing mode. Now we are in the pairing mode and we can move back to my PC. So as you can see, I'm on my PC again, and when I enter Bluetooth, let me just turn it off and on, and then we should be able to see the controller in new devices list. And when we click on it, there's this problem again, but what we can do is just keep mashing on this button. If this doesn't help, then go back with the same process. So just restart your controller again with the same method. Click on the pairing button and hold it until you feel vibration. Okay, so I'm in the pairing mode again, and I'm gonna click on the controller again to try to connect with it. And now it's connected. So as you can see, it takes a few tries, and I don't know what's the issue with that, as my friend has the same controller and it works fine for him. He can just pair his PC in any time. But on my controller, I have this problem. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.